Hey, welcome to Long Time Again, ladies and gentlemen. Today we got another huge update. We now seeing Judge and Fox News of the 5 coming out going off on Judge Juan Merchant his behavior that he's had. We saying sparks flying in that courtroom during closing arguments. Judge Juan Merchant losing his cool once again as he's going off on defense attorney Todd Blanche Trump's team. I'm excited to get into this clip, see exactly what's going on there. What's it? No, Judge Juan Merchant losing his cool once again. So we to get straight to the clips, and I'll give my thoughts on the back end. Guys, definitely stick around to the end, guys. Get my thoughts in the back end, and also YouTube push this video out. Definitely stick around until the end, you guys. But let's get straight into the news. Before we do that though, make sure you guys hit that like button for me and also hit that subscribe button, guys. We on the road to the truth. Hop aboard for the journey. Let's get into it, y'all. Donald Trump's defense team making their final pitch today. So what comes next? The 5 co-host Judge Jeanine Pirro has been at courthouse all day. She joins us now, a judge, just before we get into what the prosecution may or may not do in terms of its closing arguments. Washington Post is carrying something interesting that I guess happened just as court was closing up. Somewhere in his closing argument, Todd Blanche suggested to the jury that Trump could go to jail if convicted. Apparently Mara blew up at them, according to the Washington Post, saying that was outrageous. Mr. Blanche Someone, who's been a prosecutor, as long as you have someone who's been an attorney, as long as you have knows that he's highly inappropriate. Apparently he's going to issue a curative instruction to the jury. Did you hear that, Judge? I didn't hear it, to be honest with you. I'm stunned sitting here, and it was in there, but you know that's very simple. I mean, you give a charge to the jury and you say whatever the sentencing may be or whatever my options may bear not your concern. As I've told you from the beginning, you decide what the facts are. I give you the law and you'll make a decision based upon the facts and law. So I mean, there's no need. The guy's very thin skinned, this Juan Marin, and there's no need to have a breakdown over it. But here's what I thought was so incredibly strong this morning, and that is that Todd Blanche spoke in very simple language and addressed everything he possibly could in his summation to the jury. It was simple. It was not history. It was not over the top. I mean, some people, you know, if you have a child abuse case or a SIA, you know, an outrageous case is fire and brimstone. This is a case that is very dependent on how the jury sees the role of the falsification of business records. And Todd Blanche started by saying, look, this case is about evidence that was not proven. This case is about what y'all didn't hear. And he then went on to describe by virtually every witness and made a great deal of effort trying to show how all the catch and kills were really not catching kills, that they were simply with McDougal.
Thanks for watching my video.